Ms. Hines, may I please speak with the clerk handling appellate cases? It'd be criminal.
Okay, yes sir, I'll transfer you one moment.
Beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep.
Third Circuit.
Thank you for taking my call. I'm calling regarding my case in the Third Circuit Court of Appeals. My case number is KH 2400601. I had a hearing on December 11th, 2024, and my trial is scheduled for February 10th, 2025. I've been working on perfecting my application, but I've encountered some challenges that I need guidance on.
Did you get a notice of when your writ is due return to us? Did they give, did you file a notice of intent with the court?
Yes,
With the lower court? Okay. And when's your return? I understand when your trial date is, but when is your return date to us to file your writ?
Yeah, I'm getting weekly, wait a sec, I can explain that. I've informed the trial court that obtaining the hearing transcript from the clerk of court will take approximately 30 to 60 days. I've already paid $200 cash advance to receive these transcripts, and I have the court minutes. I've filed about 5 notices of intent to apply for supervisory writs. However, I've been receiving weekly orders to perfect my application, which has been difficult to manage given the delays in obtaining the necessary transcripts.
Who is giving you weekly updates?
Judge Brian Barber out of Natchitoches, Louisiana.
Okay, but did he give you a return date for us? Like you file a notice and the judge signs it and tells you that your writ is due to us on a certain date. That's really what we need. We can't process it without that notice.
Judge Barber. Judge Barber is declaring on the record that the perfection notice dates are the return dates, and I have my latest one, and I've had 4 or 5 of them. My latest one is tomorrow, December 27th, is my date to perfect my writ.
Okay, I'm not sure that means that's when it's due to us. I'm not sure if that's what that means.
Well,
but okay, what did you need from me? What did you need? You say you need some help with something?
He will not put the court my trial dates back any further, so I'm pressed for a short period of time. I intend to file a writ application. I think I need to go forward with a writ application without being able to use the court transcripts from the December 11th hearing. And I'm using the order to perfect my writ as my return date, and that is that's updated weekly. I've had about 5 of them.
Okay, I'm not sure about that. But so you're still what I'm understanding is that you're still waiting on your like the transcript from the lower court.
The transcripts from December 11th, I'm told will take approximately 30 to 60 days, and that'll go beyond the February 10th, possibly go beyond the February 10th trial.
Well, I know this much. When you file your writs, we're going to need from the lower court that information. Otherwise, it's possible that it'll be found deficient. Because they can't rule if they don't have the information that they need, in your writ.
Okay.
But I'm not sure about your return dates. I don't even sure I understand that. And I'm going to I don't know who I could transfer you to because today a lot of people are out. I'm still on vacation.
Okay.
So, I don't know the answer.
To make my weekly deadline, I'll have to file another notice to apply for a writ application by tomorrow, so that I'll get another week with Judge Barber. He seems to just give me weekly orders to perfect my writs, but I mean I would appeal that. I would appeal his order and say that his orders for me to perfect my writ are outside of his jurisdiction, but he disagrees.
Okay, I'm not sure of that. I don't know what we need from you. Do you have a pro se manual? Like how to file a writ? Did we send that to you?
No, I can look for that. I've never heard of a pro se manual.
Yes, sir. There is one, a pro se manual that'll help you, guide you to file your writ.
Okay.
But
And
that's if I remember right, in 601 it was deficient.
Yeah, and I'm working on getting the transcripts and there was the affidavit to certify that everything was sent. Okay. All right. I think I see the manual for 2024. Oh, that's Second Circuit. Each circuit has its own manual.
Yeah, we have a man. Yeah.
I'll specifically ask for Third Circuit.
For the Third Circuit. And if not, I can mail it to you. Pro se manual. I don't know if that would get to you in time.
Okay, because it's not.
We do have a manual.
It's not available on the internet. The Second Circuit has one. The Third Circuit.
Let me find out for you.
Well,
how can I give that to you? Hold on. Just let me find out.
Oh, okay. All right. Invalid URL removed.
Mr. Hines?
Yes.
I found out that I can verify your email address and email that pro se manual to you.
Okay, because I got Google Gemini said that there's a link, but then it says the link was removed. So you must.
Okay, what's your email address? Confirm it for me. I'm sure we may have it, but I just need to get it, make sure I have the right, and I will email that to you. And as per the clerk of court, any other further communication has to be done through the e-file system.
Even phone?
So, yes, through the e-file system. And I'll get you that. Make sure that you have that address.
You're saying don't call the clerk of court anymore.
No, I'm not telling you don't call the clerk of court. I'm telling you that further communication has to be through the e-file.
Even if I have a random question? Is that what you mean? If I have any questions about the writ application, I would ask my questions over e-file.
Just one moment. Okay, Mr. Hines, let me give you our email address where you can ask your questions and we will, answer them through the email.
Okay.
And it's, I think you may have it, but I want to give it to you just in case. And it's third filing at la3circuit.org. Do you have that one, Mr. Hines?
Third filing at LA Circuit. I can go into
LA3. Yeah. You remember where you sent me the stuff before? You sent me correspondence before.
When I type in third on my Gmail, it comes up right away. So
yes, sir. Because you've already you sent me correspondence through it before. So I need you, if you have a question or anything, just send it to that email address.
Okay.
And we'll get it, and I will get your email address right now so that I can email that pro se manual to you.
Okay, I see that there's a pro se manual and there's a handbook of procedure.
Okay, can you, because I know the pro se manual is there, but you were telling me that the link was broken. Did you try that one?
It was broken on Google Gemini, but I switched over to ChatGPT is showing a link for pro se manual, and I can actually.
Can you click on it? Can you?
Yeah, I clicked on it, and I got internet problems, but I'll move.
But I can also email it to you if you like. I mean, it's up to you.
Okay, if it's not too big, if it's less than 24 megabytes, then I can accept it through email.
I'll try and see. Yeah, I'll see. I'm not sure, but could you give me your email address?
Sure, it's
Make sure I have it.
Yeah, it's eauclaire101 @gmail. So it's EAUCLAIRE101 @gmail.
Let me make sure I already have your other number 601.
Okay, I have the Pro Se manual downloaded now, and it's about
Okay.
five pages, 12 pages.
Possibly.
I have a 12-page Pro Se manual from the Court of Appeal, Third Circuit. Okay, so I have been able to download it.
Okay. Could you give me your address again? It's EAU. That's as far as I got.
Okay, it's like it's a French word. It's kind of French. EAU is water, and then Claire is clear, so it's Eau Claire. It's the city of Eau Claire, Wisconsin. So Eau Claire, EAUCLAIRE, Eau Claire, and then after that comes 101.
At Gmail?
Yes.
Okay, sir. But if you got it,
Yep.
if you have any problems with it, but if you got it, then you can use that, to guide you, so that you can, and when you send in your writ, you're gonna be mailing them this week to us or something.
Well, I'm going to send another application to file a writ application with the trial court to get another week. He's updating me weekly to perfect my writ, and every time I submit a new writ application for a return date, he just gives me another week to perfect my writ. And so
Okay, then we'll just let us know, correspond with us through that email address that I gave you.
okay, thank you.
Okay, thank
Right,
you.
yep, have a good day.
Bye-bye.